Alright, Star 1800-2024 Algebra 1 with logs by Professor Phil Galvez Jr. 150, video 45, Giant College Algebra Final Review 05/31/24. Okay. Alright, what does it say you need? Money for tuition fees, books, software, to college, wherever you're going. My margin's open 24 hours, great boss, great work, great food. But let's say you don't need that. You got lots of money. Okay. So let's see. How do we graph this? F of x equals 2 to the power of x plus 2. Let's do it in the calculator. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to check my windows. Where's windows? Right there. Did it match? Yes. So now I'm going to go y equals 2 to the power of x plus 2. Does it match? Yes. Then I'm going to hit graph. Maybe a graph like this. Now, there is a way to look at the table if you want to look at the table on this thing. So let's do that. Let's look at the table. Okay. All right. So once you get here and you hit graph, it draws a graph for you. But you want to get some points. These points right here. So you can go second table. See the numbers right there? Negative 4.25, negative 3.5, so on. Negative 2, 1. Okay. 0, 4, 1, 8. Okay. So now we can do that and connect them. Put the points, connect the dots. Okay. Yes, sharks always sleep at night. And this would be an example of, I don't know, lice population thousands on your head as they grow to, I don't know, 2,000, 4,000, 8,000, so on as time goes on. As weeks go by, you get more and more and more. How's that? All right, go next question. Solve this. Set it equal, so log base b 6 of a and log base 6 of b, they're a equals b, so set them equal each other. Minus 8 minus 8, 5x equals this, minus 5x minus 5x, so you're going to get what? 0 is not equal to 6, negative 6, no way. So, no solution or empty set, okay? You can do it that way. Or if you want to write another way, you can do empty sets like this. Just, that's another way to write it. This way. If you want to, it's up to you. All right, anyway, this way, this way, this way. That, no solution. This has no solution. Solve the system equation by elimination. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to eliminate the y. Multiply by 1, 1, which I got the numbers from here, 1. And then 4, 4 from here, 4, 4. So now multiply across, you're going to get the new one here. This one, 3x minus 4y equals that, 40, this and this. Now add them straight down, you get 43x equals this. 43 divided by 43 is 1. So put a 1 in it, 3 times 1 is 3. 3 minus 3 minus 3, so minus 4y equals negative 8. Divided by negative 4, negative 4. So that's going to give y equals 2. So 1, 2. So at 1, 2 is the point of the intersection of these two graphs right there. Or where will you meet the shark for lunch? The shark will meet you for lunch where? At the point 1, 2. Okay, 1, 2 works for both of these right here. They intersect right there. Solve by graphing. Solve for y. So minus 3x, this divided by negative 4, negative 4, negative 4. So y equals this or this direction. Y equals 3/4 x plus that. Solve for y. Minus x minus 10x. So y equals this. And then x plus 12. There's the two equations. At what location in the sea will the shark meet you for lunch? Find out. Put some numbers in there. Put a 0 in there. You're going to get 0 than that, 5/4. Put a 1 in there. It's going to be 3/8. 3 and 5 is 8. 8 over 4 is 2. So 0, 5/4, 1, 2. Put numbers in there. 0. It's going to be 12. Put a 1 in there. And it's going to be negative 10 plus 12, 2. So we have 0, 12, 1, 2. 0, 5/4, 1, 2. Put it in there. 0, 5/4, 1, 2. And the other one is 0, 12 and 1, 2. So they intersect, they go right there. So on this point right here, that's where they're going to meet. The intersection is where the shark will meet you for lunch. Okay? Oh my gosh. All right. XYZ, XYZ, 3 sharks, where they're going to meet. What works for all of them? All right. So I guess what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a matrix function on mine. Okay, so let's do that. So you're going to go second matrix, edit 3 by 4, enter. And eventually you're going to get this. You see, second matrix A is going to look like that. Augmented matrix of this guy right here. Just the numbers. Just the numbers. See the numbers right there? There they are. Now, once you have it in this form, you can do the second part, which is second matrix math. Let's go second matrix math up here. RREF. Keep going. There. Of second matrix A. So second RREF of A. Let's see what happens. We ended up with this. 1, 8, 3, and 1. 1, 8, 3, 1. So these are the answers right there. That's X, that's Y, that's Z for all these. So this XYZ works for the first one. XYZ works for the second one. XYZ works for the third one. Okay? Got it? Hopefully, yes. So the sharks meet location, where is it? Right there. 1, 8, 3, 1. Okay, at what location to see where the 3 sharks meet? Right here. 1, 8, 3, and 1. That's where they all meet. Where the bottlenose dolphins swim in Port Aransas. Solve this for y. Divide by 2 by 2. So y is greater than or equal to this, or y is greater than or equal to 1/2 x plus 2. Put a 0 in there. 0 times that. 0 plus 2 is 2. Put a 4 in there. Negative 4 over 2 is negative 2 plus 2 is 0. So now we have 2 points, 0, 2, and 4, 0. Okay, connect the dots. Now, greater than or equal to that. So it's going to go from here up this way. Okay, so the bottlenose dolphin swimming area in Port Aransas is Texas is going to be right here. All these right here going up that way. Okay, graph with the bottlenose dolphin swimming in Port Aransas, Texas. There they are right there. Right here. All right. Oh my God, it's a little bit tougher one. Solve for y. Graph this. Solve for y. And mine says y less than equal to this. Rewrite it. Y is less than equal to negative x minus 2. This one, side minus 3x minus 3x. Y is greater than or equal to negative 6x minus 3x. So y is greater than or equal to negative 3x minus 6. Two equations, I'm going to graph them. Inequalities, okay? So there they are. First one, put a negative 2 in there. Negative is positive. 2 minus 2 is 0. 0 in there. Put 0. 0 minus 2 is negative 2. So we got points. This one, negative 2 times negative 3 is 6 minus 6 is 0. And then put a 0 in there. And then that's 0 minus 6, negative 6. So we got points. We're going to graph these. So we have negative 2, 0, and 0, negative 2. There's one line. It's this graph. If it's less, that means this way. The other one, negative 2, 0, same place. 0, negative 6 goes down here. So that one goes up. So this one goes down, goes up. So it's in here. All this area is where the bottlenose dolphin swimming area in Port Aransas, Texas is. Evaluate this. Put a 1 in there. Put a 2 in there. Put a 3 and stop at 4. Start and stops. So 1 there, 1, 2, 3, 4. Multiply it out. So you have 4, 8, 12, 16. Add them together. 12, 16, 20, 24. Add them together in your calculator. What are you going to get? 72. Okay. Can we use the calculator to do this too? Sure. Let me see if I can do it. Math. So we can go math. Down arrow. Okay. Till you get to what? Summation. There it is. So x, first block, x, 1, upstairs to 4. And then what's the equation going to be? I'm going to say parentheses 4x plus 8, close parentheses, 72. Hey, matches. So using this way or this way. Example, square inches are rash on your dog. How's that sound? 72 square inches of rash. Take care of it. Expand, use the binomial theorem. There's a formula for theorem for that. So we have x plus 3 to the 4. Put x3, 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 x3 all the way across. Put the 4, the 3, the 2, the 1, the 0. The other one, 0, the 1, the 2, the 3. See, one goes smaller. 4, 3, 2, 1. The other one gets bigger. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So now once you do that, for math probability NCR enter 0, you're going to get this number here. Okay. You can use a calculator. I would use a calculator to do this right here. Okay. For math. And then you can go into probabilities and NCR. Okay. And let me do that real quick for you. So you're gonna go for math probabilities up here. NCR is that one. Put a 0. Enter, you get 1. Second enter, you can go and change the number 1, and the next one's gonna be 4. And go second enter, you can do the next number. It's gonna be 2. You're gonna get 6. And then second enter, put a 3 in there. You're gonna get 4. And second enter, put a 4 in there. You're gonna get 1. So all these numbers match the ones up here. Once you put them in there, CNR 40, CNR 41, CNR 42 are gonna be 1, 4, 6, 4, 1. So you're gonna get 1x to the 4th, x to the 4th, 12x3, 54x squared, 108, 181. So x to the 4th, 12x cubed, 54x squared, 108x plus 81. This one, solve this. Holy cow. Okay. Bring this over here. Square both sides. X minus 3 is x squared minus 3x minus 3x plus 9. X squared minus 6 is plus 9. And bring this over to this side. They're there. Now, change the signs. Plus, minus, minus, plus. Put them together. You're going to have, this is going to be 16. This is going to be 10. Possible numbers are 16, 1, 8, and 2, 4, 4. I say 8 and 2. So, is that right? Negative 2 times 8. Negative 8 is 16. Negative 2 and negative 8 is negative 10. Yep. X minus 2 equals 0. Plus 2 plus 2. X equals 2. X minus 8 plus 2. Oh, maybe. 8 and 2 maybe, right? How many seconds will the shark beat 0 feet from you? Check it. Let's check it. We try the 2. Put a 2 in there. 4 times 2 is 8. 8 minus 9 is 1. Square root of 1 is 1. 3 and 1 is 4. Oh, it's not equal to 2. Bad. That doesn't work. Try the 8. 4 times 8 is 32 minus 7 is 25. Square root of 25 is 5. 5 and 3 is 8. So, does it work? Yes, 8 matches 8. Yay. Good. So, 8 is the only answer that works. So, in 8 minutes, the shark will be 0 feet from you. How's that? Not too long, huh? This one. A bird 500 feet above the sea drops his fish. How far has the fish fallen after 1 second? So 1 second later, what happens? It's up in the sky, so we're 500 feet. So 1 second, 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times 32. 32 over 2 is 16. So in 1 second, the fish has fallen how many? 16 feet. Falling down. All right, what happens after a bird 500 feet above the sea drops his fish? How far has a fish fallen after 4 seconds? Put a 4 in there in that formula. So 4 times that is 16. 16 is that. 512. 512 by 2 is 256. So after 4 seconds, the fish has fallen how many? 256 feet. Yep. From the bird 500 feet above the sea. So now the next one is what? That's done. What? Yeah. All right. Good. Get your Mustang Island, Puerto Island, Puerto Aransas, Rockport, wherever. Go out there swimming. Your surfboard out there in the little waves. Or you want big waves? Go to Hawaii. They have 45-foot waves out there North Shore. Yes. Big old waves. Yeah. Get your Hawaiian stuff on. And then you go swimming. You might break your board. Just gotta take the decals off. Smartbird says you take the decals off and get a new board. Mad Monster? No, it's fine. It's not bad. Which guys? Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7. They're pretty scary. How about this, guys? This 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7. Yeah, they're pretty scary too. I say yes, they're scary. How about this one? Numbers 7, 7. Kind of like 7, 7 right here. Pretty scary, but not that scary. Crunchy 1. Is Crunchy 1 scary? I say yes. How about Crunchy 2 and 3? They're pretty scary too. Anyway, Professor Alfredo Galvez Jr. saying, good luck in your giant college algebra final review. Again, Professor Alfredo Galvez saying, good luck in your giant college algebra final review. Crunchy 1, Crunchy 2 say, also, and I say, Professor Alfredo Galvez says, good luck on your giant college algebra final review. All right, bye. Thank you.